Here I am with my partner, old Scotty, over here.
What's up?
We're bringing you another episode of Back Porch Pickers. You want to introduce this on, what is this, December the 12th or January 12th? I get confused every now and then. How about you?
2012.
2012.
I'll be 11th of June, remember, I'm not
Another
sure.
episode
I heard it.
of Back Porch Pickers.
Yeah, it needs to be here.
You know what we do. Everybody across on YouTube and everybody on the planet pretty well understands. We go everywhere and we find people that we find them in their own environment, make them comfortable, make them happy. And always, you know, we're drinking a beer or we're participating in things that is overtaking the United States state by state by state by state. Goodness.
Free to plant, free to leave.
Well, we don't want to be political like that, but
Make a million.
we guarantee for the night's over, if we don't edit out too much of this, we're going to give you a good show.
That's right.
One more time. Right?
Right.
Right?
Anyway, there.
Right?
Right.
Absolutely.
You know it.
Back Porch Pickers. Be with you in a moment. Scott's over here trying to warm up people. Get them comfortable and relaxed. You know how we do it on Back Porch Pickers here. He's playing this George Harrison ukulele type guitar. It's a Baby Taylor. Perfect instrument if you want to play the song. What was it that George Harrison wrote? Something. We're trying to get Dean to come out of his shell here.
We're enjoying this music.
You're doing what?
Enjoying his music.
You're enjoying his music?
Yes.
You like
It's pretty good to me.
you like the music that the Back Porch Pickers bring to us?
I do.
Well, Scott's doing a good job with that too. He's a newbie guitar player.
That was sweet. Somewhere in the background a moment ago, I thought I was hearing something about noise pollution or no pollution, but I think I'm hearing it again. It's like angels in my ears.
Big old demon.
Where is that heavenly sound coming from?
He's a big AC/DC head. That's Dean in the middle. Scott Main on the right. Nyla is the girl sitting to the left.
Get an E, man. Give me an E. E.
Big Dean right there is the one time he
Pump it.
broke all the fingers in my hand because I was about to bust one of his head. One of his friends named Jason over there with a beer bottle. And Dean, he's so strong, he's a rougher. He grabbed my hand and his strength, it was an accident, but he crushed the bottle in my hand and my finger. He said, Raven, I can't let you hit my little buddy over the head with a beer bottle. Oh, God, I love these guys.
Keep thumping, dude. Heavy decibels, man. Playing whole line guitar. That's the way it goes, man. Come on, play. Give me an E. Ethan time.
Ethan time, you can't get in there.
Hey,
He was getting in there with
I
you.
gotta figure it out.
That's just stay.
Let's see some head noggin again. Good shot.
You need to get off of good. That kicks ass. I'm a rocker. I'm a roller. No, man, you gotta do it faster. Diggity. Diggity. Yeah.
What you got?
Shake. There you go. Good. Kick ass. Strum it, man. Hit hard. All you and shit.
Back Porch Pickers coming at you again.